I can play all the time with it. Hi guys, my name is Roger. Very good day today to celebrate 3,000 subscribers. An even better day to celebrate a solution for the SP-808. Yes, this one. We all know this drive, which is coming from the MPC 3000 XL, the blue one. But I received yesterday a working solution. It's still in development. But you hear now a sample from a song I've created. And over here we see IDE to MicroSD, and you can sample and you can save them. There are some minor bugs, but we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. It's amazing. It's amazing. So soon I will post more about the development, because we need to start the crowdfunding, because yeah, it will take some time and some money to get this to a higher level. But we're getting there, guys. Today, 3,000 subscribers, amazing, and a working solution for the SP-808, actual working solution. So I hope for you that you saved your SP-808, because we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Check this out. Cool. Super cool. See you next video, guys. Thank you.